Hi, welcome to Adobe Illustrator Masterclass, Adobe Illustrator Complete Mega Course Beginner to Advanced. In Chapter 10, we will learn advanced tool like Magic Wand and Lasso Tool. Simply go to your Illustrator. You have to go to Advanced. I have learned some basic tool about selection tool, direct selection tool. Okay, now I have to go to some another tool like advanced tool. Advanced tool, for that you have to go to here 3 dot, just click 3 dot and go to here and go to advanced tool. Some advanced tool will be appear over here. I have learned in previous video selection tool, direct selection, text tool and pen tool and rotate tool. All about I have learned, but here is the some tool will be appear like Magic Wand and this Lasso tool, just like here something is this free transform tool I have learned. Okay, now I will explain you advanced tool. So in this chapter 10 I will explain you what is the work of Magic Wand and this Lasso tool. Okay, if your artboard have some difficult design like that and difficult color like that, if I fill the color, if I fill different color of this object, like for the color you have to go to Windows and go to switch. There is a color box pop-up board will be open and I have to fill the color of this different color. Okay, like that. Okay, and different shape is available in my artboard like that. Okay, I have some different colors, same different shape available in my artboard like that. Just a minute, I have to color. Okay, there is a two type of color. One is stroke color and second one is fill color. And if you select some this Magic Wand tool, just select Magic Wand. I want yellow color object. These two will be selected. Okay, if I want some pink color, just go to this Magic Wand tool and select a pink color. Pink color only two. Okay, and another option is there. Go to select menu and go to same, and here is the some option. If I want fill color is same, I want same fill color object will be selected, or same fill in stroke size, stroke color like that. Stroke color also is the same. Stroke color will be, or every object have a stroke color. Here is a stroke color and every and each object have a black color, so that every and each object will be selected. Okay, if I select this stroke color will be some different color like that, and now I have to go to selection board and the same stroke color, so only one. Okay, now I want select stroke color. Okay, everything is selected without this because its color is, what is the color of a stroke? Orange. Yeah, pink color, so it will not selected. Okay, so there is a two option. One is this toolbox, or another is go to selection board, selection menu, same object, same, and stroke weight, color, opaque, and fill color, fill and stroke, bending bond, and appearance. Same appearance will be display this type. Same object I want, similar object, similar, just go to here, same appearance. This 1, 2 will be selected. Okay, now another tool is this Lasso Tool. Okay, with the help of Lasso Tool, you can select a object. Selection tool, we can select, I want to select this. Okay, I don't want to select this and this. So what is the option? Shift key and remove this object. Okay, so I can select this object itself. Okay, I want to Lasso Tool to select this, this, this. I don't want to select this itself, and it is not possible with the help of selection tool. Okay, if I select selection board, this will be selected. I want to remove this one by one. So it is difficult if your artboard have a multiple object and small object, so it is not possible to select selection tool. Okay, if I select this Lasso Tool, we can select some individual like that. I don't want to select this object, so I don't want to touch this object and go to over here. I don't want to this object, go to there, and you will be selected this tab. Okay, so I don't want this two to select, and it is not possible with the help of selection tool. If select, then it will be selected. Okay, I want to manually remove this object like that, so it is possible. So Lasso Tool is very important if your artboard have a multiple object and different areas. If I select this Lasso Tool, we can select multiple object with the help of this Lasso Tool like that. So Lasso Tool is very important if your artboard have a different type of shape and different areas. I want some choice to remove this or selection base. So Lasso Tool is very important. And magic wand, if I want to select a particular color object or similar shape object, if your artboard have some fashion designer arts, some small shape, so this tool will be helpful to magic wand. Okay, thank you.